guide on how to use Suno's official website. Here are the main steps. Visit Suno Ai and sign up with your email or Google account. Verify your email and set up your profile with your name and preferences. Choose your subscription plan. You can start with a free trial or select a paid plan for more features and credits. Start exploring Suno by clicking on the Create button on the top right corner. You can either type in a short text prompt describing your song idea, or choose from the suggested prompts on the left sidebar. Wait for Suno to generate your song. You can preview the song and the lyrics on the website, or download them as MP3 and TXT files. You can also edit your song by clicking on the Edit button. You can change the title, genre, mood, tempo, key, and lyrics of your song. You can also add or remove instruments and vocals. You can also share your song with others by clicking on the Share button. You can copy the link to your song, or share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. That's how you can use Suno's official website to make your own songs. You can also check out some tutorials and examples of songs made with Suno on the web.
ආදරේ සිහිනය දිගේ ආදරේ සිහිනය දිගේ සුරගන වී